Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Mythological, and in today's video we will see everything about Ekadashi fasting, and we will discuss about everything you need to know about it. So Ekadashi fasting is all about purifying your soul and preparing yourself towards attaining moksha, that is salvation. The ritualistic practice helps human being to get rid of malefic planetary influences and attain happiness. While all Hindus can observe this fast, it is particularly popular among the devotees of Vishnu and is kept on the 11th lunar day of the lunar cycle of a Hindu calendar month. What is Ekadashi Vrat? Ekadashi fasting is about spiritual cleansing. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the protected Lord Vishnu of the realm. The lunar phase, according to Hindu belief, has two distinct phases, the Krishna Paksh, that is new moon, and the Shukla Paksh, vaccine moon. Each phase is of 14 days. The 11th day of is called Ekadashi, literally meaning 11th. The Vrat or the ritualistic fast that is kept on this day is called Ekadashi Vrat and is observed by millions of Hindu all over the world. There are strict Ekadashi fasting rules. In this video, we will discuss how to do Ekadashi fast and what are the things you should be careful about while observing this vrat. Why do we fast on Ekadashi? This question can be answered very well by the worshippers of Lord Vishnu. The Ekadashi fast benefits are meant for those who have faith in the worship Lord Vishnu. It is considered to be amongst the most fruitful fast in the Hindus. Ekadashi fast benefits can bring you peace, harmony, and prosperity. The significance of Ekadashi fast are narrated by Vishnu to Yudhishthir. He said those who are truly faithful must observe this day to purify the soul and attain moksha, that is salvation. Since the main purpose of human life is to attain salvation, this fast is said to be particularly helpful for all. Devote observe this pious Hindu ritual, attain peace of mind and prosperity. How to do Ekadashi fast? Ekadashi fast has many rules that must be observed properly and attain the desired result. The pregnant woman and infirm and old people must not keep this fast. Only those who are determined and are deeply spiritual can observe this fast as per the rules. Food and water must not be touched during the fasting hours. However, those who cannot observe Nirjal Ekadashi, that is Ekadashi without water, can intake fruits and milk. Intake of food grains, meat, and fish is strictly prohibited. The fast must start at sunrise and must end at sunset. Observers of this fast are advised to wake up in the morning, take a purifying bath, and recite the Vishnu mantra, that is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Observers of this fast should refrain from violence, deceit, and lying, and indulge in charitable activities. What can we eat on Ekadashi fast? Ekadashi fasting food excludes meat, grains, and fish. Instead, fruits, milk, and milk based products and non grain products are to be eaten. If you are observing Ekadashi fast for the first time, don't know what to eat, try to avoid flour, rice, wheat, pulses, onion, and garlic. On the other hand, various kinds of fruits, paneer, ghee, makhana, singhade ka atta, kuttu ka atta, and rajgire ka atta can be consumed. Those who are observing the extreme variant of this fast, that is Nirjal Ekadashi, must not drink water. Smoking and drinking alcohols are strictly prohibited during this fast. Ever have you wondered why Ekadashi fasting is so important? Ekadashi was the name given to goddess who was one of the creation of Lord Vishnu. According to the tale, demon Mura was to be defeated. for the sake of peace, which was done by Ekadashi. Getting pleased with her act of killing the demon, Lord Vishnu endowed her that if a person will observe the fast of Ekadashi, then he will be able to free himself from all the sins and impurities of the mind and will surely get moksha, which is considered by people as one of the Ekadashi's fast benefits. Thus, Ekadashi fast is very special and prominent fast till date. Benefits of Ekadashi fasting. In Hinduism, fasting is one of the way of making the human body a subject of rituals that are a need and part of worshipping God. And Ekadashi is one such fast. During the worship of God, a lot of rituals are performed depending upon the king and deity being worshipped. Fasting is also a part of it. Well, this phenomena of purifying one's mind, body, and soul is not merely restricted to the supernatural world of the soul, but find its relevance in the scientific applications of a metabolism and other biological operations. This art of worshipping and pleasing the deity is being practiced since ancient times and is prevalent in the modern world as well. Fasting lets you go on a spiritual journey and purify your conscious soul. Fasting is not only means restricting a complete diet but involves standard hygiene practice. Fruits and milks can be taken by a person who is fasting. There are numerous short stories associated with fasting and they're present in the sacred and holy text of Hinduism. There are a lot of scientific parameters of fasting. Researchers have found the biological effects of fasting on the human body. A lot of people are not aware of it, but it is their faith that makes them keep such fast. Ekadashi fast benefits for the worshippers of Vishnu. Fast on the day of Ekadashi is equivalent to visiting any place of pilgrimage. The merit of this fast is considered to be well known. Ashwamedh sacrifice. The Ekadashi day is the month of purely dedicated to those who want mental peace and stability. If you want to get rid of all your sins and purify your body, mind, and soul, then these Ekadashi fasting benefits are made for you. Ekadashi fast not only cleans your soul but also make your body detoxified and makes the body metabolism good. The worshippers of Lord Vishnu are aware of the fast of Ekadashi. Ultimate salvation, prosperity, and religious faith are some of the Ekadashi's fast benefits. When should we start Ekadashi fast? Ekadashi fast means 11 and it falls every month on the same phase of the moon, resulting in the high and low tide of the sea. Overall, there are 24 Ekadashi in a year and they are prime importance for the worshippers of Lord Vishnu. The timing of Ekadashi depends on the tithi. As long as period of Ekadashi continues, you must observe fast. Let me share something very special about a special Ekadashi Vrat. Its name is Vaikuntha Ekadashi. It is a special Ekadashi. It coincides with Mokshada Ekadashi or Putrada Ekadashi. According to the Vishnu Puran, fasting on Vaikuntha Ekadashi is equivalent to fasting on the remaining 23 Ekadashis of Hindu year. However, according to Vaishnav tradition, fasting is mandatory on all Ekadashis of both Shukla Paksh and Krishna Paksh. Fasting on Ekadashi is considered holier than any other religious observation. Complete fasting has to be observed on Ekadashi, the 11th day of the Paksh. One Paksh is equal to 15 days. 1 month has 2 Pakshas in Hindu lunar calendar. That is why the meal of on Dwadashi, that is 12th day, is designed to be wholesome, nutritious, and filling. Lord Vishnu opened the gate of Vaikuntha, his abode, for two asuras, that is demons, in spite of their being against him. They also ask for boon that whoever listens to their story and sees the image of Vishnu's coming out of the door called Vaikuntha Dwar will reach Vaikuntha as well. Temples all over India make a door in kind of structure on this day for devotees to walk through. According to Padma Puran, the female energy of Vishnu stayed the demon Moran and protects the Devas. This happened on the 11th day of lunar month during the sun's journey in Dhanu Rashi. Impressed by the act, Vishnu names her as Ekadashi and gives her the boon that those who worship Ekadashi on the day of her victory over Mura would reach Vaikuntha, his abode. Vaikuntha Ekadashi is one of the important and auspicious days of Hindus. It is dedicated to Vishnu. It occurs in the Hindu calendar in the month of Margashish between December and January. When observed, it bestows liberation from the cycle of birth and death. So here we come at the end of this video. I hope this video is useful to you to understand everything you should know about Ekadashi Vrat. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel to keep watching and listening to useful contents and stories about my mythological. So thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for watching till the end. God bless you all.